Whoa. 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 She's going all over. Whoa. 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 What's up, guys? We're going fishing in Bird Creek today. Woo, it's freezing. It's windy. And this is going to be our first video fishing for silver salmon. Hopefully we'll catch a silver salmon. Oh, it's low tide. It's currently low tide right now. Huh? Where?
A little bit to the left of the current, see?
Oh yeah, oh, that's a silver. Okay, let's go down here. Come on. This side.
Go by this rock. Oh!
Okay.
You can leave the fish up here.
There. Oh, I gotta run. Oh shit, ow. Alright, we saw some silver from up here. Okay. Come on. Babe, come down here. Come on, Joshua, hurry. Come on, boy, hurry. Don't fall, okay? Alright. Whoa, whoa.
I'll be like this.
We're too excited right now. We saw some salmon. There's some silvers. Come on, boy. Whew. All right. Stay on the rock, Joshua, okay? Where's it at? Joshua. Where? Where at? Joshua, where are you? Where? What? And move down. Right there? Okay. What? Oh, right here, right in front of me, look. Right in front of that, look. Okay, I think I can see them. I need some weights. I need some weights. I need some weights. There you go, fish on. Oh, I snag. I got one, the hump, yeah. Oh. Oh no. Yeah, but I snag it by accident. Oh no. Woo! Dang it. We're using a super lightweight. Oh shit. See? Woo! Almost got me in the eyeball. Yeah, I'm using a 10 pound line. Joshua, stay right by the rock, okay? What? Okay. Come on, I need some weight. Come down here, boys. Oh, oh, there you go. Fish on. Huh? Tails? Oh, I caught it in the tail. Oh, shit. Ah, I broke my line. Dang it. It broke up. I need a line. Huh? I'm in the tail. Oh. Airdrop. I got airdrop. I'm gonna need your weights and thing too. Babe, I need. Okay. And that's the Alaska train. So, fixing my my line. My other line broke off. It's only like 10-pound test line. All right, let's see. Hopefully we'll catch a silver. Not a humpy dumpy. Come on, fishy. Come on, fishy, fishy. Oh, there you go. Fish on. Ooh, right in the mouth. Ah, dang it. Lost it. That one was silver. Yeah. See if we can catch a Humpty Dumpty. Ooh, dang it. Ooh. What the heck? I got snag. Oh, snag, dang it. Oh, snag, dang it. Oh, it's far away too. Oh, we got snag. Dang it. Dang it. Oh. Alright. Part 3. This is the third time I lost the hook. Or the second time, I'm sorry. Whew. Alright, we gotta try it down this way. This time I'm using a Russian fly. Let's see if we'll catch one with the Russian fly. Okay, earlier I caught a silver right on the mouth, but that silver is a fighter. Silver is a fighter. Alright, maybe we'll go down this way. Okay, stop. There you go. Oh, dang it. Ah, I had fish on. Oh, I think it was silver. Probably got snagged. Come on, fishy. Don't be shy. I'm gonna go down this way. Look up there once in a while, just in case. Ooh. What did I catch? No. Got a log. Yeah. Dang it, there's a log over here. There you go. Maybe go a little bit forward. Ooh. There you go. Fish on. Fish on. Okay. Huh? Hold on. I don't know what it is. It's not a biter. I think it's a humpy dumpy. Let's see. Wonder where I got this. Hopefully in the mouth. Whoa. Come on, baby. Woo. Come on. Oh, yeah. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, maybe a silver. Could be a silver. Huh? Humpy? I don't know. I can't see it. Oh, it could be a humpy. Looks like Humpy Dumpy. Oh, yeah. It is Humpy Dumpy. Okay. That was in the mouth, but now it came up. I'm using a Russian ply. I'm using a Russian ply right now. It ate it. Where's the boys? Oh, there you go, fish on. Oh, it's not. It's a rock. Yep. Dang it. Stuck. Dang it, broke again. This is the third time I broke my line. Still no silver. I lost one. I keep catching a Humpy Dumpy humpies. Oh, now I'm stuck. Damn. Alright, let's see if we can use the dancing egg. Got some dancing egg right there. Oh, I forgot to put some. Oh well. And this in here. All right. Oh. Dang it, I need my GoPro holder. What time is it? Oh, there you go. Fish on. Fish on. Oh, got one. Oh, what is it? I know. I think it's a humpy. It's not fighting that much. Could be a humpy. What is it, a humpy? Whoa. 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 She's going all over. Whoa. Whoa. Whew. Whoa. No. Come on. What is it? Ooh, she's biting now. Ooh, what the hell is it? I think it's probably got snagged. Alright, snag. Oh shit! It's a big, holy cow. It's a big dog salmon. Oh, it broke the tip of my rod too. Oh wait, where did I got it? It did, I'm using double hook. Look at that. It did eat the bouncing oh man, look at this dog salmon. All right, now we gotta let it go. Bye bye. It's a dog salmon. It broke my rod. I cannot keep it, boy. I'm sorry. Woo! That was a bite. Anyway, it got snagged. I'm using double hook. It's snagged in the head and right on top of the mouth. But look what happened to the tip of my fishing pole. It broke off. It's I'm using a fly fishing pole. It's a port trout. No, I cannot keep it, boy. I'm sorry. It hooked on the head and the nose. Yeah, it's okay. It's a dog salmon. It's a chum bucket, Joshua. Anyway, my fishing pole, my trout fishing pole is broken now. I should have brought my salmon fishing pole, but I didn't. Alright, still there. I can probably still use it. Let's go, 10 more minutes. We're going home. We've been here for like an hour and a half and it's raining. I broke my fishing pole, my trout fishing pole, but you know, the fish down there, there's a lot of humpy dumpy, and I got one silver, but that one I lost it right away. Right, Shua?
Yeah.
Alright, see you guys next time. Adios.